California Intermountain. California Intermountain region. The California Intermountain Cultural Region ran inland from the Pacific coast of California. It contained the Sierra Nevada, a high mountain range, and reached into the Great Basin. This region had many kinds of environments. For example, the Great Basin is a desert. It has extreme heat and cold and limited rainfall. American Indians in this area were nomadic, moving on after using up available food, such as rabbits, insects, and berries. Many tribes, including the Shoshones and the Paiutes, made this region their home. Unlike the Great Basin, this part of California has a mild climate and a variety of environments, each rich in natural resources. Huge redwood trees covered the coastal mountains. Oak trees, grasses, and berries grew inland. There were many deer, rabbits, and birds. Streams were filled with fish. Clams and other shellfish were found along the seashore. Among the tribes who lived here were the Miwoks and the Pomos. The Pomos lived along the California coast and also a short way inland. Coastal Pomos used trees such as redwoods to build their homes. They piled thick pieces of bark against a center pole. These homes looked like upside-down ice cream cones. The Pomos made beads from the seashells and used them as money. Artisans made the beads from clamshells. They broke the shells into pieces that they shaped into beads and strung the beads on cords that looked like necklaces. Pomos used resources to make useful and artistic things. For example, they wove beautiful baskets from roots, grasses, bark, and small willow shoots. These artifacts were decorated with shells, beads, and feathers.